All right, guys, yesterday we practiced drawing a horizon line with 2 vanishing points and a box and 2-point perspective. And today we're going to practice drawing and learn how to draw other buildings, because these boxes are going to turn into buildings, in the background. So I'm going to start by drawing a straight vertical line to the right of my building that I drew yesterday. And it doesn't matter how tall the building is, but it never wants to go longer on the bottom than this line right here. So you never want it to go further than that. You always want it to go higher than that. So let me show you what I mean. So you can see that this line is higher than this line, and that's important. So now, just like I did yesterday, I'm going to draw the left side of my building. I'm going to go from the top of my line, which is the top of my building, to my vanishing point so that they're touching at the same time, and I'm going to make a line. I'm going to go from the bottom of my line to my right vanishing point, and I'm going to make a line, and then I'm going to connect them. And there I have the right side of my building. Fix that a little. There we go. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I'm going to go from the bottom of my building to the opposite vanishing point so that my ruler is touching them at the same time. Notice it's touching this and this at the same time. I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to stop it when it hits the building in front of it. I'm going to go from the top of the building to the opposite vanishing point and draw a line. I'm going to stop it when it gets to that building. So now it looks like I have this building and this building back here. I'll do one on this side. So just like I said before, it's really important that this line doesn't go further down or below this line. And now I'm going to draw the left side of my building. So I'm going to go from the top of my building to the left vanishing point. I'm going to go from the bottom of my building to the left vanishing point, and now I'm going to connect them with a vertical line. Now I'm going to go from the top of my building. I'm going to do the right side. I'm going to go from the top of the building to my right vanishing point and make a line. I'm going to go from the bottom of my building to the right side and make a line. And I want to make sure I stop at the building in front, and then I have 2 buildings behind it. You can draw more buildings. You can make it start to look like a city. So now, when you've got those buildings, maybe I'll draw a line here. And I'm only gonna have to draw the top of this building because it's in the background. It's a block or 2 away. I'm gonna go from the top of my building to my left vanishing point. And then I want it to end here, so I'm gonna make a vertical line. I'm going to go from the top of my vanishing point to my top of my building to my right vanishing point. I want to stop there, so then here I'll make a vertical line. And now I have buildings in the background. So today I'd like you to practice drawing these types of buildings in your background and get comfortable with it. Have fun.